Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I transform into Pinhead. I went ahead, I painted the chest already here. First off guys, we're going to glue down the brows. We need a smooth surface. I'm going to get my glasses off. I'm not going to film this part guys, I'm just letting you know I'm using the Elmer's glue stick. I have a tutorial on how to properly glue down your eyebrows, which I will link below. The eyebrows are down. I have about 3 to 4 layers of glue on there, and now we have to go into the bald cap. So the bald cap is going to be a very, very important part. I need to try to get it as smooth and tight as possible. Bald cap here, this is just a latex bald cap. I'll link that in the description where I got it, just off amazon.ca. It's down, so I'm using a little Prosaide. I'm going to put it here and then start to work out on the edges. So I just have Prosaide. You can use spirit gum for this, and you can even use liquid latex. It's all fine. It's got a little Q-tip, got the Prosaide on there, and away we go. So for the ears now, I'm just gonna cut a line. The bald cap is on. Now I'm just going to take my regular foundation. I like to always put foundation on first before I just go in with the cream color because for me, I find it's like a good base. So we're just going to do that, cover up these brows. Don't want to do this step, you could definitely just skip it and go right to either like a face paint or a cream white paint. Now we need a white base. You can definitely use white water activated paints if that's all you have. If you have a cream white paint, that's going to be the best. I find that's the best to like, you know, give a good skin effect because sometimes the water activated paints, when you use that, it can get really blotchy. So cream paint is really nice. These guys are super affordable. They just came out for Halloween. Okay guys, so basically I'm just going to take that white and just stamp it literally all over, and I'll be right back. I just went ahead and set that with the NYX. This is the HD finishing powder. It's just like a white base. Any type of white powder will do. The eyeshadow on under my lip here. I did contour the nose and I'm doing a little bit of the cheeks here. You don't have to do this part. Obviously just look at a reference photo. That's what I always do, but I like to, you know, sometimes add my own little touches into it. And I'm not necessarily doing this a girl version, I'm just doing it, I guess, like Pinhead as if it was me. So yeah, I like to have a little contour here. Have the blue down how I want it, and now I'm going to go ahead and put on the lips here. So I just have a white lipstick I'm going to put on. So I hope this turns out. Alright, okay, so next we're going to start to map out like the red lines to where we're going to put our nails. I'm actually going to use a alcohol activated red paint for this, just because I want them to look a little bit more realistic. Okay, so for these nails, I'll put up a small little video on the side here to show you how I did it. Basically, they're just Q-tips. I'm gonna start on the very top. Work your way down, because if you're gonna start in the middle or on the bottom, then it's gonna be hard to, you know, like maneuver the little Q-tips. So we're gonna start at the top, and the very top would be right here. From a little bit of latex, put it in between the junction, and then I take my Q-tip here, some scar wax. So I'm just taking it into like a tiny ball, and I'm gonna press it on the end of the Q-tip, and then I'm gonna kind of put it into a point, like so it follows the lines. Like that, and then I'm gonna stick it right where I placed the latex, and then I gotta hold it a little bit, and then I have this little tool, but even if you had like a little toothpick that would work, and I'm dipping it in liquid latex, and then I'm gonna smooth out those edges, just following along where I have that red line. So it kind of keeps it in place. See? And it stays up just like that. Nervous about this. I thought it wasn't gonna work. Oh, it's going, it's going. This is actually like I'm surprised by how easy this method right now is. With latex, dotting it on my spots and taking my Q-tip, and I'm just taking it and like rubbing it right into the scar wax just to get a little edge. You can see, just like that. And then I'm just taking that little tool dipped in liquid latex, and then I'm kind of just like pushing up the edges here a little bit. Take it and just stick it right in the middle, still holding it, and then I have my little tool and I'm gonna start to push out the scar wax in the position of those red lines. And no big deal if it's not perfect, because we can go over everything. Well, we're gonna have to go over everything with more red anyway, so that doesn't matter. Oh, look at that, like so freaking easy, I love it. So I'm just taking some eyeshadow and just gray and kind of like lightly filling in some of the squares here just to give a little bit more, I guess, depth to it.
2,000 years later.
That is it, guys. This is the finished tutorial on Pinhead. I hope you enjoyed it. I feel like that was super easy to stick the little pins on. Let me know if you are going to try this or if you have tried this before. It was very tedious. I'm just trying not to talk much because I don't want these to move around, but I definitely can talk a lot. I don't know, it just feels weird. I'm gonna finish some pictures. So that is it, guys. I really appreciate you watching this whole thing. I hope you had fun, and please don't forget, if you want to support myself as a creator, all you have to do is like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Those are all free things that'll help me grow as a creator and an artist, and I really appreciate all of your support like usual. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!